A river cuts through a rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. That's a quote by Jim Watkins that somebody sent me on Twitter this week, and I love that quote, and I want to talk about it a little bit. See, I'm fascinated with success. I love to learn about what makes people successful, and I don't just read the books. Anytime I meet somebody who's successful, financially, in health, in body, mentally successful, I like to ask them a couple questions. My favorite question is, what's your secret? What's your secret to success? Now, everybody likes this question. They think there's this mythical strategy out there that's going to make us successful, right? We pay money for it. We even buy magic pills sometimes. But I will give you the key right here. This is what 99% of the people tell me and what I read. Never give up. Be absolutely 129% persistent in what you're doing. Never give up. And this isn't just the people I talk to, okay? Tony Robbins once said, success leaves clues. And that is perfect, because it does. And the number one underlying theme in any successful person, or well, 99% of them, is that they never gave up. Let's take J.K. Rowling, for example. Everybody knows J.K. Rowling. She's a world-famous author, wrote some of the most incredible books that we cherish today, right? She was flat broke. She was almost homeless. She had kids to raise. She couldn't even afford a copy machine to make copies of her manuscript to send out to publishing houses. She had to, one by one, type out different manuscripts to send to different publishing houses. Talk about persistence. She never gave up. Let's take Bethany Hamilton, one of my favorite inspirational stories. I was in Hawaii when this happened, actually. She's a surfer, and as a teenager, I think she was a teenager, she got her arm bitten off by a shark. Do you think she stopped surfing and let her dream die of becoming a professional surfer because some shark bit her arm off? No, absolutely not. She persisted. She never gave up, and now she is a professional surfer, traveling the world, surfing all over the world. It's incredible. And this goes on, I can go on and on and on. Albert Einstein didn't know how to, he didn't speak until he was 4 years old. Jim Carrey was homeless before he became successful. Bill Gates' first business crumbled horribly. I can go on and on and on. Successful people never gave up. That's an underlying theme. What's the other underlying theme here? I want to take it a step further. Successful people have a passion for what they're doing. And if you have a passion for what you're doing, it's going to be hard for you to give up. I promise you that. That's why it was probably hard for J.K. Rowling to give up. I'll tell you in my own story. In my journey to become a successful coach and speaker, I encountered a lot of roadblocks, a lot of obstacles, tons of them. But I had a passion, and I have a passion for what I'm doing. So it was easy for me to get up without an alarm clock. It was easy for me to overcome these obstacles. And if you have a passion for what you're doing, it's going to be near impossible for you to want to give up. Near impossible. You're going to persist no matter what it takes because you have a passion for it. So never give up. Never. Be persistent. Like that river cutting through a rock, and love what you're doing. If you do both of these things, success is practically an inevitability.